These products we really recommend to use for every hair removal process. The connection between hair removal in genital areas and a warm shower. These products you should really have a look at when thinking about hair removal in genital areas. Mistakes you should avoid if you don't want to feel pain afterwards. Today we're talking about something that many of us do, but might not do right. Intimate hair removal. Whether you prefer to go completely bare or just trim things up, proper care before, during and after is key to avoid irritation, ingrown hairs and other issues. So let's dive into the best products and practices for both men and women. Before you start any hair removal process, it's crucial to prep the area properly. This applies to both men and women. We recommend to start with gentle exfoliation a day before hair removal. This helps to remove dead skin cells and allows the hair to stand up, which can make the process smoother and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. You can use a mild exfoliation scrub or a soft brush, but remember, be gentle. Next, consider taking a warm shower or applying a warm towel to the area. This will soften the hair and open up the pores, making the hair removal process easier and less painful. During the hair removal, you can choose from shaving, waxing, or trimming. Each method has its own pros and cons, so it's all about what works best for you. Let's start with shaving. Always use a sharp, clean razor. Dull blades can cause nicks and irritation. Apply a generous amount of shaving cream or gel to create a protective barrier and reduce friction. Shave in the direction of hair growth to minimize irritation and ingrown hairs. The most important thing, don't rush. Take your time, especially around sensitive areas. And for men, if you're using a trimmer, make sure it's designed for sensitive skin and set to the right length. Always trim dry hair, not wet, to avoid pulling or tugging. If you prefer waxing or depilatory creams, ensure your hair is at least 1 centimeter long for the wax to grip properly. And if you're doing it yourself, do a small patch test first to check for any allergic reactions. Waxing can be painful, so brace yourself, but the results can last much longer than shaving. After you finished your hair removal, proper aftercare is crucial to soothe the skin and prevent irritation. Start by rinsing the area with cool water to close the pores and remove any residue of shaving cream, wax or hair. Apply a soothing, fragrance-free moisturizer or, like always, aloe vera gel to calm the skin. Avoid products with alcohol or strong fragrances, as these can irritate freshly shaved or waxed skin. If you're prone to ingrown hairs, using a gentle exfoliant a few days after the hair removal can help to keep them away. For men, after trimming or shaving, an aftershave balm designed for sensitive skin can be very helpful. Look for products that contain soothing ingredients like chamomile or vitamin E. And remember, avoid tight clothing immediately after shaving to let your skin breathe and heal. Let's talk about common mistakes, which you really want to avoid. For example, dry skin. Never shave dry skin. Always use a lubricant like shaving cream or gel to prevent nicks and irritation. Reusing old razors can be pretty painful. Don't reuse dull razors, change them frequently to ensure a clean, smooth shave. Over-exfoliating is also a problem. Avoid over-exfoliating after hair removal. It can lead to more irritation instead of preventing it. Skipping aftercare is not a good idea. Never skip aftercare. Your skin needs to be moisturized and soothed to recover properly. Like last time, now we have the product review. Once for women, once for men. For the products for women, we divided them into before, during, and after the hair removal. Before the hair removal, there is the aloe vera gentle scrub for exfoliating skin to prevent ingrown hairs, and also the Nivea cream peeling, which prepares skin by removing dead cells. For during the hair removal, we picked 3 products. Once the Venus Comfort Glide Razor for shaving, of course. Then we have the Veet Sensitive Precision Trimmer for trimming. We have the Veet Wax Strips for sensitive skin for waxing. For the aftercare of the hair removal, first of all, we have the Bepanthen Sensiderm Cream, soothing and calming skin post-hair removal. And the multi-gin anti-skin prevents irritation and ingrown hairs. For the products for the men, we also divide it into before, during, and after the hair removal. Before the hair removal, it makes sense to trim your hair by, for example, using the Brown Series 7 precision trimmer and also using Sebamed Men Active Peeling for exfoliating skin to prevent ingrown hairs. During your hair removal, the Wilkinson Sword Hydro 5 razor for shaving, Philips Body Groom Series 7000 for trimming or shaving, and also the Veet for Men Hair Removal Cream, which is a chemical hair removal for sensitive skin. For the aftercare, these 3 products we really recommend. The Penaten Baby Wundschutzcreme for soothing, protecting post-hair removal, Nivea Men Sensitive Post-Shave Balm, calming skin after shaving or waxing, and also the Veleda Aftershave Balm, which is a very good product for calming and hydrating skin post-shaving.